In this video, we will talk about a composition of two functions. Two functions are given to us: f of x equal to 12 plus x to the second power and g of x equal to 5 minus x. We need to find the composition of two functions f of g of x. To solve this problem, we need to substitute function g of x instead of x into function f. So you see that we have 12 plus, and now instead of x to the second power, we have g of x to the second power. But we know that g of x is equal to 5 minus x. So now instead of g of x, we will substitute 5 minus x. But don't forget to keep to the second power. This is the correct answer, but it's not simplified answer, and we need to simplify it to get the full credit for this kind of question. So we can simplify 5 minus x to the second power, and we will do it on a side, on a separate paper. So 5 minus x to the second power, it means that you take this parenthesis 5 minus x and multiply by exactly the same parenthesis 5 minus x. To multiply these two parentheses, you need to use the FOIL method that you learn in high school or in Math 61 class. So first of all, we need to multiply 5 by 5. Then we need to multiply 5 by negative x. Then you will multiply negative x by 5 and negative x by negative x. Let's simplify. 5 times 5 will give you 25. Negative 5x and negative 5x. These two are like terms, and we will combine them together, so we will get negative 10x. Negative x times negative x. When we multiply two negative numbers, the result will be positive, and x times x will be x to the second power. So the next step, we need to substitute 25 minus 10x plus x to the second power into our answer that we got above for 5 minus x to the second power. So it's a good idea to keep parentheses here, because sometimes you will have a negative sign in front of parentheses or a coefficient, and then you have to simplify. In this particular equation, we don't have any coefficient in front of it, and we have positive sign in front of it, so we will drop the parentheses. And now we see that we have two like terms, 12 and 25, that we have to combine them together. That will be 37. And the final answer will be 37 minus 10x plus x to the second power.